Okay, so you want to get heat in your car, but your thermostat's broken. Well, that's why you're here. The car's set for 90 degrees, but it never gets warm. And then when it does, it takes a really long while. And an engine code pops up. The thing you want to do is pop the hood. You're gonna need to find the latch. You're gonna need to find a hose coming off your radiator, like this. Go into a little place, looks like this. Got 2 bolts on the side. It's recommended to drain your system, but what else you can do is you just pull this off and let it drain to the ground. Now I would do either one of those, but I'm just really lazy, so instead you find yourself a 10mm socket, might be different, and you pull that sucker off. Now, let's pull it out. I said pull it out. That took a little bit, but now you get it out. Don't need this though. Next, what you want to do, get your thermostat, new one, in your little gasket. See, it's kind of beveled down. You want the down to go down, just like this. See, it's in a little O-ring. That's what you do next. Look at that. So then you're going to put this back on. Take the screws. Put them back in. Simple, right? Now the next problem we have is we drain some of the coolant. So we go to the radiator cap, push down, twist them open. You can see inside. It's a little bit drained. So what you're going to need to do is get yourself some coolant. I go with the concentrate. So I get this much coolant instead of this much coolant. Problem is, now we gotta mix it. So get yourself another empty bottle, put half and half, and fill the rest with water. Now if you take a light to these, ow, you can see they're both to the same line. I got them bolts filled up to about here. Started here. It's water, coolant. I'll shake it up. Next, what you need to do is crack the bleeder. So what you want to do is start the car. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty simple job. Once the coolant starts coming out of the bleeder, that was pretty much it. Close it back off, put the cap back on. That's it. You're done. Good job. Now you get heat faster.